Interested in multifamily?
Because I was always interested in getting a rental property and build up my passive income. Because I work in a corporate that I went through up and downs, and from a 2008 time of period, I see many families got kind of, even though those employees didn't do anything wrong, but when the economy goes down, that they lose their job and they lost their income, they have to lose a lot of things. So then that's the time I started thinking how to build up the passive income. So even though just uh, hopefully not happening, but even though someone lost their job in the family, we can still have a good quality of life. So
Awesome. And how are you involved in multifamily today?
I'm involved as a passive investor. So just kind of, if I see some deals like I'm interested, I'll ask information. For example, that I saw you guys deal like the property you guys bought in Houston area. It's a class A. I think it's very solid, and you guys got a really good deal. And then that's the time I decided to invest. And as a passive investor, and they're just I'm still trying to learn some more stuff, get involved a little bit more. But at this moment, I'm the passive investor. Mhm.
Awesome. And so, kind of, what are your goals moving forward?
I think that moving forward is just how to increase the amount of the investment, and also increase the total value of the asset, and also increase the monthly passive income. That's my goal. And I think for future, if there's a more opportunity come, I would like to also kind of the question asked to you guys that how can I be involved more or either broader or deeper kind of in those kind of scale that involve in this multifamily investment. And also maybe and also I think I would just because I've invested a couple of property now. I just like to kind of observe which partners I like the most, because there are a lot of communications work from you guys. I think someone gave me a very good communication, like you guys, Dustin and Hayden. Someone I don't get much of a communication or feedback, so I don't know how it's going with that property. So I think finding a reliable uh, partner and finding a reliable kind of general partner is very important for investing this kind of deals. Mhm.
Awesome. Yeah, I couldn't agree more. So, if you don't mind me asking, what do you do for your day job?
I'm a engineering manager, so we work on a high-speed server and data center kind of business. We provide the high-speed cables and connectors to the company like Google, Amazon, Facebook. So they buy a lot of those cables from us. So to put on their high-speed server data centers to store people's cell phone storage or on cloud storage and do the AI and also do all those computing stuff. So that's what we do for business. And luckily during the COVID time, our business is not going down, it's going up. So we feel a little bit lucky that way. So
Awesome. And then, just kind of curious, when you're looking at different deals and all that, because I know, we've talked some, and I know, you've looked at a few different deals. Is there anything in particular that you're looking for, or do you have some, a checklist that you kind of go through mentally, or just, yeah, some different things you look for in a deal?
right. If I just like compare different deals, I think a lot of them they look really good on paper. And then I ask the questions that whether the sponsors underwrite this deal in a conservative way, and how conservative that is, and to see if they still have enough margin to cover just in case something goes wrong, and also that to see if they have done deals before. I think the previous successful experience is very important, and also to see if they have enough enough cash or enough capital to just build up some cushions, because this COVID time is a little bit stressful for everybody, because people are concerned that the tenants may not be able to pay the rent. So those kind of the actual capital, actual cash buffer is kind of important to me. when I talk to the sponsors.
Awesome. Well, cool. Yeah, appreciate your insights and appreciate you for joining us on our member spotlight. If anybody has any questions or maybe wants to reach out to you, how can they connect with you?
You can reach me through my Gmail and also Facebook. So I can, yeah, Hayden, you have my contact. So if someone want to ask my opinion, that yeah, feel free to share my Gmail and also Facebook. Yeah, so uh, that's about it. So
Awesome. Well, cool. Appreciate you joining us, Yifan. It's been a pleasure getting to know you and getting to work with you, and really appreciate your time this morning.
yeah, okay, sounds great.
All right. Appreciate it. Thank you.
See
Yeah,
ya.
thank you. Yeah, glad to see you guys. So yeah, take care.